Xullas bitta ikkita yoki 3 ta eshikni ta'mirlagani keldim. Yaxshi yopilmayapti ekan. Ko'ramiz hozir. Mana zo'r narsa-da. Eshikni o'zi ko'tarib berib turadi. Bemalol to'g'rilab qotirib olaverasizlar. Hikmatullah. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
The door or the frame?
No frame, just from the door.
Okay.
Yeah.
You
no
know, we
problem.
tried, but yeah.
So, show me another one.
Yes. This one closes, but it gets kind of stuck. And so this one, kind of same thing, I think, is like up there, kind of gets.
O'zlaring ko'rdilaringmi? Eshik bekilmayapti. Shuni bitgan holatini qo'yib yuboraman. Shoshilyapman, vaqt kam do'stlar. Birinchi eshik bitdi, ko'ringlarchi. Mana bu ikkinchi eshik do'stlar. Ikkinchi eshikni muammosini ko'ramiz birinchi. Muammo mana tegyapti eshikka. Mana shilib ham qo'ygan. Ikkinchi eshik ham tayyor do'stlar. Do'stlar, bittadan bosib qo'yinglar shu joyga. Bu uchinchi eshik. Past tegyapti. Keyin mana ilashmayapti zamoga. Oxirgi eshik ham bitdi, ko'ringlarchi. Yaxshi. Hello? Yeah, work is done, you can check.
Sure. Bye. Yay!
It's good?
Yeah.
Seems great to me.
So, another one.
Oh boy.
You can see.
Kids, leave me alone. This is great. Awesome. And this one was. You took. Was this the. What did you cut on this one?
From that side.
Yay!
Distance have.
Thanks. Awesome. Well,
No
thank you, man.
Yeah,
Do you do. Are you just doors or do you do other stuff?
No, I give you my business card.
That'd be
Handyman, any job.
Okay. Thank you for your
No
time
problem.
today,
Thank you.
man, and coming out.
Thank you, you too. Yeah.
We appreciate it. We'll definitely keep this handy so that we can call you
Yeah.
next time. Thank you very much, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate
No
you.
problem.
It's good to make a connection for this kind of stuff too. So
Yeah, of
we'll
course.
hope to use you
Sure.
again for sure.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a wonderful day, man. Thank you very
Yeah.
much. We'll be in
Have a
contact.
good day. Bye bye. Haley, see you next new project.